Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to turn off push notification of YouTube channel on YT Studio very easily. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the YT Studio. So after opening the YT Studio, here you can see profile on the top right corner. So click on profile. So after this click on setting. So when you will click on setting, here you can see push notification. So here you can see analyst, achievement, policy and earn. So if you want to turn off notification of analyst, so just click on and turn it off. So if you want to turn off notification of achievement, so just click on it and turn it off. So similarly you can turn off notification, so all push notification. So guys, in this way you can turn off push notification on YT Studio of YouTube channel. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.